Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novela Tasya. My name 234 10 10 6003. And now I will explain the study about learning English from EVL. Before you are learn about listening, you can understand about what is listening. Listening is you can listen to movie, video, music, and then podcast, and then you can learn about that. And then before you are learn to the continue from knowledge, you can doing searching about journal English learning listening in the journal. And then I will explain the introduction from mobile status blended learning from MLB, Pio and Lee from 2024. Session English is a phrase language from EVL Learning English, constantly evolving to improve student listening conversation. Nah, a student can understand about listening because listening is easy from student because listening just listening music, and then you can searching about the grammar conversation about that, and then you can understand about the studies from on. You can understand about cloth and equation experiment with two groups, external and control. Before you are learning, you can control about your study and experimental, because learning English is easy from experimental. You can control group forwards conversational teaching methods from 2015, applied and creative research design with a service approach improving. Then listening listening EVL is a rich analysis from journal or former school and from school, but studies use a different pedagogies in to investigate their the rich question with listening approach. And then you can search the studies, because the studies is the experimental group repeat MELB interaction for 5 this week. Nah, that uh that I will explain. The experimental group repeats MLB interaction for 15 weeks. Nah, they learn but about experimental group from MLB from MLB. They learn until 50 weeks while in the control group. And then that 5 strategies for activity mobile learning. Then you can see, and then you can uh, understand by yourself about what is a 5 strategy for activity learning, because 5 strategies activity learning is uh, important from our learn to listen skill EVL. And then the findings I will read. Pew and Lee 2024 found the MLB group showed significant improvement. And then Pew and Lee that found the MLB group from a significant improvement. And then they are improvement in the listening conversation takes a comfort to the informational. And then after they are make a group autonomy in the experiment group after the investigation, their roles suggests the MLB can be effective. They are can make MLB that is active from EVL control to a listening control. And then the findings highlights the importance of cognitive strategies in listening, because finding is a key from listening, because finding is important to learning in listening skill, because finding is the key from listening strategies and then to environmental 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 groups, and then student can uh, student can searching about the journal listening, and then uh make 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 number one from teaching approach, and then uh can be it can be recurs from listening skill. And then I will give you some picture from findings listening, make you understand that that is listening, that is a picture listening from MLB MABL. You can understand about what I what I see from you all listening. And then uh the conclusion from all I explained about learning listening MEBL, about study provide a be in fight into enhancing EVL learning skill pure, and let's study demonstrate the influence of MLB of choose study highlights the importance of cognitive strategies for research in the need of further explore the factors influencing listening, conversation, and to develop more activity teaching. And then I can approach learning about listening skill from strategies or technologies, and environmental from a group MEBL, because they are key from listening to move findings from EVL listening learning to make proof most the active. Okay, maybe that's all from me from learning listening. The last I say, peace be on you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.